Guys, the Pepe token will not stop right now. This is absolutely madness. We're going to talk about a bunch of things that are happening right now with the Pepe token. And wow, a top 100 crypto now by Coin Gecko. But on Coin Market Cap, it's climbing the ranks as well. And some huge news that came out last night that has acted as a major catalyst for Pepe. We're going to break it all down in this video, guys. As always, not financial advice, only for entertainment purposes only. As you can see, I am kind of back in my old studio. So if you guys have been watching the channel, you guys kind of know where I'm hanging out. But let me dive in here because very interesting things happening here. And we go over on Twitter. And first and foremost, just look at the number of Twitter followers now for Pepe and how fast we've grown in a really short amount of time. 136.5K followers now. As I said, Pepe entering the top 100 on CoinGecko recently. This is after them hitting an all-time high of that, what would it be, 5010 mark. Now, if we go back out, we've got even bigger news than that. How about this? OKX, new listing update. Pepe gets listed on OKX, spot trading starting on May 1st. And in addition to that, we've had OKX in China already list the Pepe token as well. And I mentioned this, yesterday when we go over to Pepe, and we'll pull it up here on CoinMarketCap. The amount of volume coming in here, guys, is just absolutely absurd. In fact, we'll go over to Dex Tools and pull it up that way. So let me go to Dex Tools. Go to our favorites over here, and here we go. Check this out. I mean, this is absolutely insane, the surge we've seen. If we go out into the 1 day, you could see kind of what's transpired here. Actually, it gets all screwed up that way. But it all started way back in here, right? We consolidated forever, and eventually we were going to break out. There you go. You can see that consolidation right there. This is where I look to enter my positions in cryptos, especially once I missed it. But you can see all the way from the 21st of April to about the 27th, we were trading flat. That's why I picked some up at the 2.2 and the 2.5 level. And now we have absolutely erupted as Pepe is gaining national and international exposure. Market cap now, guys, $574 million. I just did a video last night where the market cap was $330 million. That is absolutely absurd. So I mentioned last night, will we hit a $1 billion market cap? I think it's coming. I think it's coming sooner rather than later. I said sometime in 2023. I mean, at this pace, this is absolutely absurd how fast it could happen. Now, there are some things to be wary about. There are some very big wallets here, some top whales. So as always, take your profits along the way. Have a plan in place. 64,000 plus holders already on the DEX side, guys. Now major exchanges are coming in. $129 million of volume just on Uniswap alone is absolutely absurd. Absolutely absurd. Appreciate you guys as always. Don't forget to check out all the videos. We're going to be updating you on everything Pepe, everything, of course, crypto right here on the channel. Make sure you guys are locked in. Subscribe down below. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.